Hi, everybody. Welcome to our next session. This is a quick summary of our scope of work section. And so just to summarize real quickly what this section is all about is what is a scope of work? The scope is the roadmap of the project. Your damage assessment is your foundation of the project. This is the roadmap of the project. And what that means is everything that we put in our scope of work is what we're going to do. Now, the most important thing, there's two things about the scope that are the most important. One is what services we're going to provide. And two, what services we're not going to provide. We have to be very specific. Our scope has to match our estimate precisely. And so what we want to do is we want to put together a solid scope that has everything in it. And also if we have questions about the job, like there may be some things that we've seen on the job that they're not asking us to do, but we want to let them know, hey, we noticed this on the job. We can provide those services if needed, and so on and so forth. And so the two things that our scope of work is going to do for us, it's going to tell us what we're going to do and what we're not going to do for that specific dollar amount. Because once we go past or we're outside of our scope, then we're going to do a change order for the additional amount. And so we want to make sure that we're writing very good scopes that give us the opportunity to grow the project and present a change order for anything that goes outside of our scope of work. So we have to be very specific, and it is tied to our critical path and our budget. And so it is this is the key to putting together a good estimate. First, we have our damage assessment, then we do our scope of work, then we put together our estimate, and then we go into our critical path and get our critical path together. So with that, I will see you in the scope of work section. Thank you very much and talk to you soon.